We're going to install a mag block limiter into the X Products X15 Magazine. Alright, so here's how you open the X Products X15 Magazine. Just loosen up the set screw here with an Allen wrench. And you can unscrew the back retaining nut. Then the magazine will just come straight apart. We've got our limiter already installed in this one, so take that one out. Now when you put the limiter in, you just need to make sure that it fits over this little spot. So here's our new limiter. This just drops in, goes over the top. You can see that engages with the bottom, slides right in. It'll only go in one way. If you don't get it right, it's not going to go in. So there you go. That's it. That's how it installs. So now getting this back together, you want to make sure you push these over a little bit. If these are over like this, you're not going to get the magazine back together. So you got to push these over so they line up with the grooves on the top of the magazine. So just like that, you can see it will snap right together. Now you want to make sure, get this in focus, you see if you push on the front of this magazine, the little part will move. So if you're trying to screw the back on and it's not in the center, it's not going to go on. So you got to squeeze the front a little bit, line that up, and then this retaining nut will screw right back on pretty easily. If it's not lined up, you're going to sit here and keep messing with it. Alright, so screw that on, then set your set screw again. And that's it. All done, 10 rounds. So I'll go ahead and load this. Best way is index it with your thumb, palm the front, rotate it slightly. Best to load one round at a time. What they say on the website, if you try to load more than one at a time, you can drop them down into the magazine. Not such a big deal on the skeletonized one, you can just shake them out. There's 10 rounds. No room for number 11. Not going in. And enough left over here so your bolt doesn't catch. So you can load this on a closed bolt.